Good morning students. Welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 15 decimal fractions in that exercise 15b. So let's discuss homework answers first. First question, add the following in that fourth one. 18, 200.35, 11.72 and 2.3. The answer is 232.37. Next, fifth one, 0.586, 0.0586 and 0.00586. The answer is 0.65046. Next, second question, find the value of in that fourth one, 0.83 minus 0.342. The answer is 0.488. Okay. Now, third one, subtract in that fourth one, 1.002 from 17. So, 17 minus 1.002, you will get 15.998. Next, fifth one, 83 from 92.05. The answer is 92.2505 minus 83. You will get 9.05. Fourth question, simplify. In that first one, 3.5 minus 2.43 plus 0.075. So here you need to subtract and add. Both you have to do. So first step is write the numbers that is coming after plus sign. Okay, first rearrange these numbers such that first you can write the numbers that are coming after plus sign. So first number, you can write that number itself. 3.5 means it is plus 3.5. Okay, next which number you will write? Plus 0.075. Okay, then plus sign of numbers that is coming after plus sign is over. Now you can write numbers that are coming after minus sign. So minus 2.43. Okay, now do the addition first, then subtraction you can do. 3.5 plus 0.075. So 3.5 plus 0.075. Here you can put zeros. You need to add. So 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 0, 7, 5 plus 0, 5. Point is coming 3 plus 0, 3. You got 3.575. Now this answer minus 2.43, you can do the next step. Okay. So 3.5 plus 0.075, it is 3.575. So 3.575 minus 2.43. Here you can put 0. Okay. So 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 3, 4. 5 minus 4, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So the final answer is, this is the answer. Answer you can write 1.145. Okay. Second question, 7.84 plus 0.3 minus 4.016. So here in the question itself, it is given numbers that are coming after plus sign. It is coming first. Okay. Then only negative numbers. I mean numbers that are coming after minus sign is coming. Okay. Adhe question lenna plus sign shesham ഉള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഫസ്റ്റ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ദെൻ ഓൺലി മൈനസ് സൈനിന് ശേഷമുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ നോ നീഡ് ടു അറേഞ്ച്. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫൈൻഡിങ് ദിസ് സം 7.84 പ്ലസ് 0.3. You can put 0 here. Okay, so 4 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 3, 11. 7 plus 1, 8. So 8.14. This sum you got 8.14. Next step is that sum 8.14 minus 4.016. So here you can put 0. Okay. Now here 10, 3. 6 to 10 it is 4. 1 to 3 it is 2. 1 minus 0, 1. Point is coming. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 point. Answer is 4.124. Okay. Now third question, 2.987 minus 1.25 minus 0.54. So here only subtraction you have to do. So first 2.987 minus 1.25. Here you can put 0. 7 minus 0, 7. 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 2, 7. 0.2 minus 1, 1. Okay, now this difference 1.737 minus 0.54 you can do. Okay, 54 means 540 you can put here. 7 minus 0, 7. Now here 13, here 6. Okay, so 4 to 13 it is 9. 5 to 6, 1. Point. 1 minus 0, 1. 1.197. The answer is 1.197. Okay. Next, fifth question. From the sum of 75.75 and 4.9, subtract 28.465. So first you need to find the sum of 75.75 and 4.9. Okay, you will get an answer. Then that answer you have to, from that answer you need to subtract 28.465. Okay, so that answer minus 28.465 you have to do as the next step, second step. Okay, so first finding the sum of 75.75 plus 4.9. Here you can put 0. So 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 7, 16. Now 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 7 plus 1, 8. You got the sum 80.65. Now from this sum you need to subtract 28.465. Okay, so from this sum, so 80.65 minus 28.465. 28.465. Okay, here you can put 0. Now here 10, here 4. Now 5 to 10 it is 5. Now here 14, 5. Okay, 6 to 14, 8. 4 to 5, 1. Point is coming. Here 10. Here 7. So 8 to 10, 2. 2 to 7, 5. So the answer is 52.185. This is the final answer. Okay, from the sum of 75.75 and 4.9, we subtract 28.465. The answer you got 52.185. Sixth question. Subtract the sum of 8.14 and 12.9 from 32.7. Okay, so here you need to find the sum of 8.14 and 12.9. Then that sum you have to subtract from 32.7. Okay, that is 32.7 minus that sum. Okay, so sum of 8.14 and 12.9. Here you can put 0. What you will get? 4 plus 0, 4. 9 plus 1, 10. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. You will get 21.04. Okay, this sum you have to subtract from 32.7. So from 32.7 means 32.7 you need to write first. Okay, 32.7 minus 21.04. Okay, here you can put 0. Now here 10, 6. So what you will get? 6, 6. Point. Now 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 11.66. The answer is 11.66. Okay. Now seventh question. Subtract the sum of 34.27 and 159.8 from the sum of 20.937 and 200.6. So here find the sum of 34.27 and 159.8. Okay, you will get one answer. Then also you need to find the sum of 20.937 and 200.6. You will get another answer. Okay, then from the second sum you need to subtract the first sum. Okay, this is second sum. Sum of 20.937 and 200.6. From this sum you need to subtract the sum of 34.27 and 159.8. Okay. First, finding the sum of 34.27 and 159.8. Here 0 you can write. You will get 7 plus 0, 7. 8 plus 2, 10. point 9 plus 4 13 plus 1 14, 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9 1. 194.07 you got. Now second sum we can find 20.937 plus 200.6. This means 200.600 you can put. Okay, now 7 plus 0 7, 3 plus 0 3, 9 plus 6 15. Remain carry over 1. Here point is coming. Now 1, 2 plus 0 2, 2. 221.537 you got. Okay, now from the second sum you need to subtract the first sum. So first write the second sum, that is 221.537. You need to subtract what? 194.07. Here you can put 0. Okay, now 7 minus 0 7. Here 13. Here 4. Now 7 to 13. It is 6. 4 minus 0 4. Point. Now here 11. Here 1. 4 to 11 7. Now here again 11. Here 1. 9 to 11 it is 2. 27.467 is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. 27.467. Okay. Ninth question, by how much does the sum of 18.0495 and 34.9644 exceed the sum of 7.6752 and 24.876? What does the question means? Here you can find the first sum 18.0495 and 34.9644. You can add. You will get one sum. Okay. Second sum also you can find here 7.6752 plus 24.876. Okay, two sum you will get. Now first sum. How much the first sum is greater than the second sum? So how can you find that? Subtract. The greater sum minus smaller sum you can subtract. You will get the answer. Okay. So first sum second summinekal എത്ര കൂടുതലാണെന്നാണ് ഇവിടെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. സോ ആദ്യം ഫസ്റ്റ് സം ഈ രണ്ടെണ്ണം ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. അതേപോലെ സെക്കൻഡ് സം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഇതിൽ തന്നിട്ട് 7.6752ഉം 24.876ഉം ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ സെക്കൻഡ് സം കിട്ടും. സോ ഗ്രേറ്റർ സം ഫസ്റ്റ് സം ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, സോ അത് സെക്കൻഡ് സമ്മിനേക്കാൾ എത്ര വലുതാണെന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യാണ് വേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, finding the sum of 18.0495 plus 34.9644. What you will get? 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 4 13, 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11, 9 plus 1 10. Point is coming. 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13, 3 plus 2 5. 53.0139 you got. Okay. Next, finding the sum of 7.6752 and 24.876. Here you can put 0. So 2 plus 0 2, 5 plus 6 11, 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15, 8 plus 6 14 plus 1 again 15. Point is coming. 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 12, 2 plus 1 3. 32.5512 you got. Now how much this 53.0139 is greater than 32.5512? That is the question. How much this first sum exceed the second sum? So how you can find that? Subtract 53.0139 minus 32.5512. Okay, so 2 to 9 7, 1 to 3 2, here 11, here 10. So 6. Now 5 to 10. 10 9 here. Okay, so 5 to 9 it is 4, here 2, 0, 2. 20.4627 is the answer. Okay, you can write answer 20.4627. The first sum exceeds the second sum by 20.4627. 10th question, what least number must be added to 89.376 to get 1000? So how much should be added to 89.376 to get 1000? How you can find? subtract 1000 minus 89.376, you will get the answer. Okay, so 1000 minus 89.376. So in the first number you can put, after point you can put zeros. Okay, now subtracting, what you will get here? 10, 10, 9, here also 10, 9, 10, 9, up to this you can write. Okay, now 6 to 10, 4, 7 to 9, 2, 3 to 9, 6. Point is coming, 9 minus 9, 0, 8 to 9, 1, here 9, 910.624 is the answer. Okay, this is the least number that should be added to 89.376 to get 1000. Okay, now exercise 15B, fourth question, in that 4 and 5. Then 8th question, do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.